you are here?
I'm very excited. I didn't expect to be here so soon.
Okay.
So this is great. Hi, I'm Todd Pittock. I'm a journalist from the United States, and this is the Estonian way of ritual.
Minu nimi on Veeroja Eda ja ma olen Sanna Anaane. Igan Lõuna-Eesti talunpeaaegu suitsu Sann, aga väga vähe mäleta see veel, mida seal Sannan tehti. Et kus neid latsi seal tehti ja kus sünnitati ja kus ravitseti, kus tehti kunste, kus surdi Sannan.
So this is the firewood we are heating sauna with. I think in English this is ash tree, kind of ash tree, but we have it a lot, it's growing very fast. So it has to be very dry, then the smoke is clean.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. First thing what you do always is greet the sauna. Tere, tere, Sannakene.
So why does there need to be a lot of space in the stove?
Because there is no chimney and it needs to get oxygen here. If you put trees very tight, then it doesn't get enough oxygen, and then the smoke which comes is not clean, and you later inhale poison gases. But
The carbon monoxide.
yeah, yes. There is some special breathing like exercises, and we chant and we sing, which means that if you breathe in and breathe out very, very long during the chanting, then your body starts to relax. Second steam, we cleanse our body and soul. This is what we do, we wash ourselves with salt. In our folklore, we believe that salt cleanses as inside of us as outside of us. And you have to start from the feet and go up, because we believe that all the diseases are coming from the feet and leaving us from the head. So. We are using different kind of plants to make massage. We can call it lambasting or whisking.
Right.
Yes. Rest some seconds and then we go to ice hole.
Oh boy.
Oh boy. If you go to the cold waters, you get cold shock. You just have to breathe out very long and get yourself through this shock and wait until it goes over. Then really nice feeling starts.
Eda earlier talked about clearing your mind and emptying your mind to make it receptive to things. One of the ways that quickly empties your mind is a very strong physical sensation, like the way that the cold hits your skin and kind of grabs it like a trap.
Now we cleanse your body, we cleanse your soul, and now one sip of this cleanses your blood.
The gin.
No, this is local moonshine with the viper, the poison snake. This is one of the strongest medicines we have.
Wow.
Ooh. Consider like a shower.
Feels good.
And you can yell from the deep of your heart like No, it's your turn now.
Like a baptism. I felt through the experience of the smoke and the heat and the ice, the water, that I was shifting into different physical dimensions, but it was also kind of taking me places emotionally, and I suppose here they would say spiritually.
Great to have you.
Really, really, it was an amazing experience.
Thank you.
Thanks so much.